Hi everyone, today's quick tip video is showing you how to assemble the box that I have made and is now available on my applelover53.co.uk website. If you look under the shop tab and then go to the ScanNCut cutting files, you'll find this box. Now this box has been made for this 3D box card that I designed some time ago, which is also for sale on my website, and I've been asked numerous times if there was a box available to go with this 3D card, and I kept saying I'd do one, and then to be perfectly honest I completely forgot all about it. Then I thought I'd made one, then somebody else asked me again a few weeks ago and I went and had a look on my website and lo and behold there was no box. So here's the box now. Okay, so when you cut the file, you'll have two pieces, and if you put them side by side and just look at the side panels, you'll see that this side panel here is deeper than this. So this is the base and this is the lid, okay? You'll see the score lines are already in for you. Now, the way that I put my projects together, I'll start with the base. So I can see the score lines. I'm going to turn it over and then fold on those score lines. Okay, so that will become your base. So I'm going to apply some glue on the 4 tabs, and for speed I'm just going to use my Seal Plus, which is available in my online Stampin' Up shop. If I was making this box to give somebody with, you know, the 3D card in it, I would probably use my Tombow multi-purpose liquid glue. All this, but I think for 3D projects I tend to go more towards the Tombow. So you just fold in the flaps and you line up this cut edge with this dashed fold. Just fold in the glue a little bit because the glue is bigger than the flap. And obviously I'm just doing this quick for the video. So that's your base. Now, I've not got the 3D card. I've had it for years hung up in my office. And when I rearranged my office again recently, I seem to have lost it. Now, I've got a drawer in a desk that I keep loads of 3D projects, so I'm wondering if it's in there, but I've just not got access to it at the moment. So we'll just do the same. So I can see the score lines, and I'll fold on all the score lines. Use your bone folder to give you nice crisp creases. And I'm going to do the same. So I'm just going to bring in my silicone mat because the tabs on the lid are a little bit smaller because obviously the sides are not as deep. And I deliberately made this box so that the sides on the lid were not as deep as the base, so that it's kind of easier to get hold of, if that makes sense. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So I'm going to do exactly the same, fold the tabs in, stick them in place, and then this should fit on here. So this is what I mean. So the lid isn't as deep, so that you've got a gap here, so it's easier to get in and out of. So your finished size is 5 3/4 by 5 3/4, and that 3D card was 5.5 by 5.5 by I think 1/2 inch deep, and this is 3/4 deep. So I'll just show you again. So this is the 3D card, as I say, that is available on my website, and this box has been made to fit that card. So obviously you can decorate this how you want. This is just a square now, so it would be easy to decorate up. I've not given you a layer for this because it's just a simple square. If you want to decorate it up, 5 5/8 by 5 5/8 would give you that look. So I'll just pop that on. But again, you know, you can make this with as bigger or little margin as you want. So that's today's project. As I say, it was made to put this 3D box card, which is available in my online shop, but it would equally work for, you know, a dimensional card that would fit this box. So I hope you like that project. Please give it a thumbs up. It will be available, as I said, in the ScanNCut cutting files section, which is under the shop tab on my Apple Lover 53 website if you do want to purchase it. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.